Hi, this video is about how to lay out a ceiling from the cloud. So I have the room ready. Now we just go into cloud, finishing, ceiling. Choose one design from the list and just drag it out. The view will auto switch to 2D when you lay out the ceiling. As you can see, the ceiling is bigger than the room now, but it's okay, we place it there first. Then click on the ceiling. To resize, you can just drag the corner points. But when you see red frame means there's conflict of position. To proceed, you can press Ctrl to stop conflict detection. You may also change the size in the product info. Just input the size and enter. To reposition the ceiling, you can just input the distance and enter, or just by dragging. Okay, let's go back to 3D and check the outcome. To fit the ceiling according to the room size, you can click on Full Pave. And this is the outcome. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you.